Get out there, like my man E-Vapor says, and drive your car. Ride along, ride along, ride along. In the Ecoboost with the 360 camera. I'm on this back road and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna mount up. I'm coming in from out of town. I was like, I'm gonna mount up my 360 camera and I'm gonna show them some of these nice country roads out here. I'm from Jersey, but I live in Texas, obviously, so I'm on these back roads in Texas, and it's some nice greenery out here. It's very nice. It's beautiful out here when the sun is out. It's just a good look, man. It's a very good look. I really like it. So I decided to mount up the 360 camera, take you guys on a ride, and just cruise so you can just look around, man. I really don't have much to say, but I will say that I'm enjoying the Ecoboost. I now have 885 miles on it. As a recording right now, it'll be at about a little over 900 or almost 1,000 by the time I get home. I'm not gonna make you ride the entire hour, just something dry, hour and a half drive with me. This isn't gonna be an hour and a half video, I promise. But I just wanted to show you some of this beautiful greenery out here because it's amazing. I just decided to come this back way so I don't have to be around a lot of traffic, and I just wanted to cruise. So this is the way I chose to go back to my neck of the woods. The camera mode that I'm using now is called Me mode, and what it does is it gives you my view, but from the top of the car, the way I have it mounted. Now it is a 360 camera, so I definitely can have it to where I'm moving it around in post, or it moves by itself. But I've learned that I don't really like that mode. I like Me mode, where it's just simply just facing the way I have it positioned. You know, you see people with they call them gap cams. This is the angle that they're using to record their view. So it's very windy outside, like really windy. So obviously if I use the audio from the 360 camera, I don't have my Bluetooth mic hooked up to the 360 camera, but if I were to use that, it would be better because I would have a wind muffle on it, but I just didn't. I just posted it up real quick. I put the camera up real quick. I was like, I'm gonna catch the views. That's what it's about. So I'm gonna ride, let you guys enjoy my theme song that I created for the Mustang. I create different little theme songs with AI just for fun, you know, just to kind of, you know, make it a little bit more interesting, having fun with it. And let you enjoy the views.
Twin scroll spinning, the future is winning. Jay Williams behind the wheel, no beginning and no ending. Precision in the timing, Ecoboost climbing. 2026, see the silver lining. Boost gauge dancing, the gears advancing. Every move I make is a calculated enhancing. From the silicon chip to the grip on the strip. Never let the focus or the legacy slip. Spooling up the pressure, I'm the ultimate measure. Ecoboost energy, turning coal into treasure. Ecoboost the engine, I'm the main mention. Jay Williams in the 2026, pay attention. Turbo lift for gravity, we live for the sky. Ecoboost energy, we never get enough. Jay Williams, Mud's horse stand, future ain't gonna bow. 10 speed shifting like a lightning strike. Everything they wanted, everything they like. Direct injection, the heart of the machine. Cleanest horsepower that you ever seen. Jay Williams engineering, the vision is clearing. In the Ecoboost seat, there's no room for the fearing. Blowout valve singing like a bird in the cage. 2026, we done turned the whole page. Efficiency monster, the king of the torque. Walking through the finish like a walk in the park. Ecoboost the engine, I'm the main mention. Jay Williams in the 2026, pay attention. Turbo lift for gravity, we live for the sky. Ecoboost energy, we never get enough. Jay Williams, Mud's horse stand, future ain't gonna bow. Boost it, let it breathe. Jay Williams never gonna leave. 26 Mustang, hear the sound. Keep the pedal to the ground. Ecoboost the engine, I'm the main mention. Jay Williams in the 2026, pay attention. Turbo lift for gravity, we live for the sky. Ecoboost energy. Mustang Ecoboost. Watch the spool, we gone.
So my next car, I've already kind of threw it out there that it's going to be a Grand Sport X. And that's why I sold my E-Ray. I got pretty much all my money back for the E-Ray. And then I invest, so I didn't really lose any money. I just used the 3750 that I lost, just from my company. I've already made that back from the market. So I didn't really lose anything with my E-Ray when you think about it. From my perspective, I didn't really lose anything. But I definitely am excited to see how long it takes for me to get a Grand Sport X. I'm extremely patient. No complaints about, waiting. I waited over a year and a half almost to get my first E-Ray. And then the second E-Ray, another 8, I don't know. No, I didn't wait at all for that one because I went and got that one off the lot as well. But I have no problem with waiting to get, I'm totally patient. I'm patient. So the Corvette conversation will continue on the channel, man, for the most part. But I'm enjoying this EcoBoost. I'm about to be at 900 miles. I got 888 miles currently, 888.8 as a matter of fact, at this very moment. So I'm excited to see, how things go with my next purchase for my Corvette. I'm enjoying life, man. I'm enjoying all these things that I get to come my way. And I think you should too. You shouldn't worry too much about what another person's doing with their money. That's a very common theme on YouTube. But you really shouldn't worry too much about how a person's spending their money, because you're going to drive yourself crazy. Because I think the person that's doing what they're doing and just sharing a little bit, they're the ones that's having a good time, and a lot of people are just sitting back watching. But you got to get out there and enjoy your life, young people. You got to get out there and enjoy it. Get out there and enjoy your life. Go travel. Get on the road. Enjoy your car. And I think you'll go places. Shout out to my man E-Vapors. He often does a lot of premieres. And he's always talking about driving your car. And I'm with him. I take a lot more road trips than I post on my channel. I go out of town probably 3 times a week. Easy, probably. But that's called a personal life. And it really doesn't have nothing to do with my cars. But in this instance, I took the Mustang because I wanted to see the efficiency of the Mustang. And it's very good. It's very, very good. The Mustang has very good efficiency. I'm on all these hills up and down, and I'm still getting 22. So it's really good. Really good. I'm liking the efficiency. And I'm driving 65, 70 the majority of this route. So get out there like my man E-Vapor says and drive your car.
Twin scroll spinning, the future is winning.